This is the Aputure MC Pro, the upgraded version of the original MC, but 4 times brighter with advanced features for actual professional use. Let's check it out. Alright, so here are the tech specs of the Aputure MC Pro, but in a nutshell, here's what you need to know. It's 4 times brighter than the original Aputure MC, it weighs only 247 grams, it's weatherproof, there are now multiple wireless methods to control the Aputure MC Pro, either with the Sidus Link App or with Lumen Radio CRMX. The color temperature ranges from 2000 Kelvin all the way to 10,000 Kelvin with green magenta adjustments. The MC Pro lasts up to 120 minutes at max power. It supports fast charging via USB-C or the contact pins, and of course you have the same magnetic back from the original Aputure MC, which makes it really easy to place this light on metal surfaces. Now let me show you what comes in the box. So the Aputure MC comes with this really cool case, a little bit overkill for a small light, but pretty cool nonetheless. Alright, let's open it. Ooh la la, here it is. Here's the light itself, we'll get to that in a second, but let's show you the other accessories. You have this pretty cool ball head, which you can attach to your camera, but also it comes with this small magnetic mount, which allows you to place it on metal surfaces and also adjust the angle of the light thanks to the ball head. Pretty cool. On the other side, you have other accessories, like a USB-C cable to charge the light. You also have these metal plates, which have a sticky side on the back so that you can mount it on a wall or on a table or in a car. And then on the other side is the metal surface, which you can then mount the light onto. And then you have these really cool magnetic accessories. You have a flat diffuser to soften up the light, very nice. You also have a dome diffuser to soften and spread the light a little bit more, very cool. And then you have this grid, which shapes the light into this spotlight effect. And what's cool is that you can use all of these accessories together. So if you want to use the flat diffuser and the dome, connect it like so and create a softer light. And if you want to create a soft spotlight, then connect the grid onto it and boom. Very cool. All right, let me show you how it works. First, a tour of the Aputure MC Pro. Here is the light panel itself, and overall has a really robust, professional looking design. On the back, you have the 2 magnetic strips to mount it on a metallic surface, or you can use the magnetic plates that come with the kit, and then you can peel off the adhesive side so that you can mount it on a non-metallic surface. All right, just place some metal plates on the back of the Aputure MC Pro, peeling off the adhesive. All right, here we go. On the side of the MC Pro, you have your power button, you have a USB-C port to charge the light, you have your menu button to access all the settings of the light, and you have this metal dial to adjust the brightness of the light, change the color temperatures, as well as go through all the settings within the menu. On the other side of the light, there's nothing there. On the bottom, you have a 1/4-20 thread, as well as contact pins to charge the light. And then finally, on the top is an LCD screen so that you can see the different settings of the light. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And there you go. In fact, let's bring it closer, shall we? So if you take a look at the screen, I'm just gonna use the dial and just go through the different options. Right now it's highlighting the intensity of the light. If I go down, it can change the color temperature. And then going down one more is the green magenta adjustments. All right, let's go back to the intensity of the light to change it. So I'm just gonna press the red dial. And now I can just dial up to increase the intensity of the light or dial down to decrease it. And once you're done, press the red dial again, and now I'm back. If I wanna change the color temperature, I just go down to color temperature, press the red dial, and now I can just dial up to increase it to 10,000 Kelvin, that's crazy. Or I can dial it down to give a warmer light down to 2000 Kelvin. And then with the green magenta adjustments, that's really cool if you want to add some green or pink to it. Just small adjustments just to make sure that you get the lighting that you want. And then if you press the menu button, you have access to a bunch of different options. You got your HSI and RGB to change the different colors of the light. There are gel options that you can use, which is great if you use gels with your other lights on set. And what's cool is that there are Rosco and Lee options, which are actual physical gels that are used on set. And so if you are using a Rosco or Lee gel, then you can try to match it with the Aputure MC Pro. So very, very cool. And then there are other options that you can use, like effects. You can use club lighting. What does that look like? Oh yeah, I'm in a club. You also have paparazzi, lightning, TV, candle, fire, strobe, explosion. Basically all the effects that you find in most Aputure lights. Ooh, and party lights, that's my favorite. That just kind of cycles through all the different colors. Anyway, just different effects that you can use with the Aputure MC Pro. And of course, my favorite way of controlling all my Aputure lights is using the Sidus Link app. Right now, the MC Pro is connected to my phone, and I can increase the intensity if I want to, or decrease increase it. I can quickly change the color temperatures to 3000 or go down to 2000, or I can use the slider to go all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. I have my green magenta adjustments to make sure I get the right lighting that I want. Or I can use gels if I want to and go through the different options. Like I can use a CTO or color temperature orange. I can go half CTO, 3/4 CTO, full CTO. Same thing for tungsten. I can go full CTB or color temperature blue, 3/4, half. You get the gist. Or I can use the color wheel and just kind of scroll through the different colors and figure out which color I want. You also have this music effects page so that you can sync your lights with the beat of the music. So cool. But probably my favorite feature is the color picker, where you can actually take a picture of your set or your environment and match the colors of that scene with your Aputure MC Pro. It's really, really cool. So for example, here is a green book. I'm gonna take a picture of the green book. And now that green has transferred to the Aputure MC Pro. That's so rad. So why do you need this light? Well, it's always good to have some sort of portable light to take with you on the go. And the fact that there's so many advanced features with the Aputure MC Pro with the other magnetic accessories just makes it a really good light to bring with you on your travels. Also, the magnets on the back of the Aputure MC Pro are just really useful, which is great if you don't have a light stand to mount this light to, albeit you need to have some sort of metallic surface in order for you to use the magnets, but it's just a cool option that is there. Also, I think this light is perfect for music video filmmakers, like the fact that you can use different colors. You could place this light on the background or even stylize your shoot with all the different colors. And even with one of my favorite features, the color picker, like you can match the lighting and the color of your set, whether it's indoors or even outdoors, just by simply taking that photo and transferring that data through the light. That's so clutch. And of course, for people already using Aputure products using the Sidus Link app, like the Aputure MC Pro is a great addition to add to your lighting gear. And so final thoughts, pros and cons, I mean, all good things for me. I love the professional design. I love how it's weatherproof. I really love all the magnetic accessories that you can attach to the Aputure MC Pro. And of course, I really love how much brighter the Aputure MC Pro is over the original MC. And as far as anything bad about this product, I mean, not really. Like, this is a really great portable LED light. I mean, of course, you can use any other cheap LED RGB lights, whatever. They all work the same pretty much. But because I already use Aputure products and I use the Sidus Link app a lot, the Aputure MC Pro is just going to be a perfect addition to my lighting gear. But if you want to check out the Aputure MC Pro for yourself, then links will be down below. It's awesome, it's bright, so easy to use, and come on, magnets.